What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're gonna work on the fender that we just painted about 3 days ago. I have a little bit of orange peel on the fender and I want to know if I can make it better. I want to know if you guys watching me do it, well, you guys saw me do it last, what is it, 2 days ago. You guys saw the end results. It was not perfect. I'm not a professional painter, I'm just a DIYer, so I ended up with a little bit of orange peel on it. Not too bad, not too crazy, but I need to know if I can make it better by wet sanding it and polishing it. I want to show you guys how it looks now, and then how it's gonna look after I'm done. Hopefully this is gonna help you guys out, and maybe you learn a thing or two from me. I don't know, but let's show you what the fender looks like right now, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so let's roll. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how the fender looks now before doing all the wet sanding and polishing. It's not really bad, but still it has a little bit of orange peel here and there throughout the fender. So this is how it looks before. As you can see, it's not bad, but it's not great either, and I think I can make that look better. So let's go ahead and show you what I'm gonna use. Again, I'm gonna use the same thing I used before. I'm gonna go with 1500, then 2000, 1500, 2000, 3000. Okay, and then my compounds are gonna be, this is the heavy cut, this is the medium cut, and then these are my polishing pads. I just got a water bottle here, my sander, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna use, and we'll see the before, and then we're gonna see later the after. Hopefully this is gonna look a lot better than what it is now, and yeah, so we can make this show quality. All right, let's do it. All right, 1500 grit sandpaper done. Now I'm gonna follow that by 2000 and then 3000. Once I get ready to start polishing, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with the polish. It's looking good. All right guys, we're done. We're ready to start polishing this fender now. As you can see, I got rid of all the orange peel. There's nothing. This is completely flat all the way. So now it's ready to, we are ready to bring some shine back to this panel. All right, so let's, I had a little bit of run. I just found out that I had a run right there, a clear coat run, but I took care of that. So that was the only flaw I found on this panel. Now we're ready to start polishing. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut with 400 menzerna 400, and then we're gonna follow by menzerna medium cut polish. Same thing we did with the Nova. We're gonna do the same thing here, and those products are gonna be everything I'm using here. I'm gonna put a link to all these products. They all come from Amazon, and I will leave a link to all those products. And if you click on those links, you are helping me, you're helping the channel. I get a little kickback of that, and I would really appreciate it if you guys help me with that. Anyway, so those products are gonna be there in the comment section below if you are interested on any of this. All right, let's get going with this polish now. All right, guys, I'm done polishing the fender, and it looks really good. Not 100%, of course, because even though the fender was a new fender, it had a couple of dents, scratches, stuff like that. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of the video is to show you that with a little bit of work, a little bit of tools like a sander and polisher and stuff like that, you can get something like this done at home. This paint job was out of a electric spray gun. Yes, I got a little bit of orange peel out of that gun. That was my case. I'm not sure if it's gonna be different for you guys out there, but in my case, I got a little bit of orange peel out of that spray gun, and I just wanted to try it. I wanted to see if I was able to get rid of that and make the fender look better. It looks a lot better. I'm gonna show you what the fender looks like now that the orange peel is gone and the shine is back. It's not sure if you guys can see it, but it looks really good, guys. It shines. Again, it's not perfect because the environment I painted it on, and I didn't prep the fender. But yeah, the purpose of this video is for you to know that you can get a good paint job, shiny result, with a little bit of work and maybe an hour or two. But yeah, you can get something really nice out of that spray gun, electric spray gun. Yeah, so there it is, guys. I just wanted to make a video on this to show you that it is possible. It is possible to get something like this done at home using an electric gun. Now I know for a fact that gun lays the paint down good. With practice, it's gonna be even better. So if you guys are thinking about getting one of those electric sprayers, especially like the one I used on this one here, I'm gonna leave a link to the to that gun, to that spray gun, in the comment section below. This is gonna be it. This is a short video, but I just wanted to show you that process there. If you guys want to know more about anything I did on today's video, or anything about any comments, just put them down in the comment section below. All right, so until the next one, guys. We have more coming in for the channel, so stay tuned. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, I suggest you to do that, because there's a lot of good things coming to the channel. Okay, cool. Until the next one, guys. Peace out.